Factors influencing credit scores. Your credit score is like your financial fingerprint. It leaves an indelible mark on your ability to navigate the money maze. Think of it as the VIP pass to the world of loans, sweet interest rates, and even the key to unlocking doors to that dream home or job. But here's the catch: you've got to play the credit game right. Understanding the magic behind your credit score is like having a secret manual to financial success. It's not rocket science, but it's no walk in the park either. Picture this: payment history, credit utilization, length of your credit history, the types of credit accounts you hold, and those new credit inquiries. These are like the superheroes in your financial story. Each has its own superpower, and when they team up, they can make or break your credit destiny. Wrap your head around how they all dance together, and suddenly, you're not just a pawn in the financial chessboard. You're the grand master, making moves that shape your credit fate. In a world where everything's interconnected, your credit score isn't just a number, it's the golden key to a world of financial possibilities. So payment history. That's like the rock star of your credit journey. It's the beat that sets the rhythm for your financial song. Now, here's the cool part: paying your dues on time is like rocking out on stage and getting the crowd roaring. Lenders dig it. They see you as the responsible lead singer of your financial band. But, and there's always a but, watch out for the troublemakers, late payments and defaults. They're the groupies you didn't invite but somehow crashed the party. Letting them hang around messes up your vibe and sends your credit score into a nosedive. Keep those payments on the beat, and you'll be the rock star with the stellar credit reputation. Credit utilization. The credit utilization game. It's like finding the sweet spot in the credit universe. Imagine you've got this $5,000 credit limit, and you've thrown down $4,000 on it. Quick math, you're at an 80% utilization rate. Now, the gurus say, hold up. Keep it under 30%. Why? It's like sending a secret message to lenders saying, chill, I'm not leaning on credit for my whole financial shindig. Striking that balance between what you have and what you're throwing on the card is the secret sauce. Here's the insider tip: watch that ratio, and your credit score will throw you a little fist bump of appreciation. Length of credit history. Now, let's dive into the time-traveling dimension of credit scores, the length of credit history. Imagine your credit accounts as characters in a story. The older ones have been around, seen the ups and downs, and lenders appreciate that stability. So, how does the age of your credit accounts affect your score? Well, the longer, the better. But here's the plot twist: balancing it with new accounts is crucial. Opening new accounts can add freshness to your credit tale, but too many at once might raise some eyebrows. It's like finding the right mix of classic and contemporary in your favorite playlist. A balanced harmony between old and new keeps your credit score soundtrack sweet. Always remember, your credit score is like a narrative, and these factors are the plot twists. By keeping your payment history on track, finding the sweet spot for credit utilization, and crafting a story with a blend of seasoned and new credit, you're the author of a financial epic. So, let's keep writing a tale of financial success. If your credit history is on the slimmer side, here's the lowdown: go for the newbie-friendly moves. Ever heard of secured credit cards? It's like dipping your toes into the credit pool without going full cannonball. You throw down a deposit, and bam, you've got a card to start building your credit street cred. It's like the training wheels for the credit world. And hey, there are other starter options too. It's like having a buffet of choices for your credit appetite. So, tip number 1. Don't rush it, start small, and before you know it, you'll be leveling up your credit game. Tip 2. It's all about making friends with credit, not enemies. Think of it like this: credit is a bit like a plant. You gotta nurture it to see it grow. So, once you've got that secured card or another starter option in your arsenal, here's the trick: use it, but don't abuse it. It's not a free pass to a shopping spree, it's more like a responsible friend handing you the keys to their car. Start with small, manageable purchases. Then, when the bill comes knocking, pay it on time. That's your ticket to credit world respect. It's like showing the credit gods that you're a responsible player in this financial game. So, tip number 2, be kind to credit, and it'll be kind right back to you.